Who is
I'm
this?
gonna chop you like liver.
What do you want?
I'm in the house. Do you know where I am? I could be anywhere. I'm like the wind, baby. Yeah. Where am I?
You're behind the couch.
What? How do you know that?
I can, see your feet.
Ah. Okay, turn around. Close your eyes. No peeking. Yeah. No. No. Hey, no peeking. No peeking. Turn around. Good. Okay, now you can look. Now do you know where I am? You don't.
No, Mr. Killer. I don't know where you are.
I'll give you a big clue. Oh, I gotta stop drinking.
Grandma! Baby!
White woman in trouble, officer 44.
Are you okay? I'm screaming. What's going on?
He's here! The killer was here!
It's okay. I can explain that.
Oh my god.
A friend gave him to me. Cindy. Cindy. Cindy! Cindy! Cindy!
It's me, Cindy.
Cindy, you know me.